Hi, I'm Carmina Sanchez Tan. I am 14 years old and I am part of the 13 to 15 age group. I would say I spend at least 22 hours underwater every week.
A lot of people don't realize it, but artistic swimming is really a rigorous sport.
Artistic swimming is a rigorous sport and also strenuous because it requires a lot of endurance as we have to hold our breath for minutes at a time. And also, we have to do it all while keeping a smile on our faces.
I joined artistic swimming because I learned discipline, hard work, and passion.
I'm Gila Sanchez. I'm a swimming coach and also a team manager of NOGCC Swim Club. That is our competitive group, and we also have We Swim Aquatics, our Learn to Swim program. Artistic swimming is one of the 5 disciplines of aquatic sports. Before, it was still called synchronized swimming. If you've watched videos from way before, all of the competitions have swimmers do it together. So it can be a duet, a trio, or a team. But now, it's already called artistic swimming because there are individual categories as well. It's a mix of many things. It's partly gymnastics. So it's a beautiful kind of sport that really shows artistry, endurance, strength. Here in Bacolod, we are one of the 2 clubs who is a member of Philippine Swimming Incorporated. Coach Reyna was looking for other PSI registered teams as well who would like to pursue synchronized swimming. We said yes because it's really a mix of both our passions, which is dance and swimming as well. So in 2018, it was during summer, Coach Reyna came here. She did a workshop for our competitive swimmers, and after that 3-day workshop, there were 2 swimmers who right there and then decided to move from competitive swimming to artistic swimming.
I was one of the 2 first people to join artistic swimming. Artistic swimming is a sport that has both swimming and dancing together, which are 2 things that I have been doing since I was around 2 years old. We joined the Singapore Invitational. And then the following years, I joined around 3 major competitions, one in Macau, another in Singapore, and one in India. I was chosen to represent the Philippines by being part of the junior Philippine team for India in the Asian age group. Earlier this year, around 2 months ago, I was also able to join a competition in the US, in Irvine, California. After around 2 years of being able to join face-to-face or physical competitions.
I'll be very honest, in the first year of competition, some of our swimmers ended last place, and we had to be open to that. So for us, it was always a milestone to see their scores go up. It's not about the standing, it's really about your personal development.
My favorite thing about artistic swimming is the routines accompanied with choreography and music, and I enjoy it because I have the skills to complete synchro.
The strength that you need to execute the routines well and the flexibility to perform the movements are the 2 most similar things in gymnastics and in synchro.
Like I said earlier, it's really rigorous. It involves a lot of things. The training is not only inside the water, there should be dry land training. Sometimes we have to enroll also with online classes to be able to develop their strength training and conditioning. When we train for artistic swimmer, it goes from 2 hours to 2 hours and a half, as opposed to competitive swimming usually, which is 1 hour and a half. If you are like one of our swimmers who is really competing and is a member of the Philippine national team, she has to do dance classes as well, 3 genres for dance: modern ballet, classical, and jazz.
In water, we do different types of drills, exercises, such as egg beaters, boosts, and barracudas. That can help us both in our routine and our figures. We also do competitive swimming training. For land, dance is one of the things that can help us really for our flexibility, for our strength. So we try to dance at least twice a week.
For the choreography, of course, that was one of our dilemma. We started off by really watching a lot of YouTube videos. We started by relying on Coach Reina to teach us on how to do choreography. We would try on our own to make it with our swimmers. What also helped us for the past 2 years, we were able to find a coach who is based in Chile. She's an ex-Olympian and she was offering online services. Our swimmer Carmina, she was able to train with her for a lot of times.
I have classes with her every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. We have a 12-hour difference. I train during the morning, she trains in her night. So I think that's a really big challenge. But I think with her help in our trainings, I've gotten better in the sport.
We really hope someday to reach the SEA Games. We have that goal in mind because in the Philippines right now, there aren't much clubs. I think we are the only club who is actively training.
We are looking at the possibilities that hopefully I could someday train internationally or abroad with other teams face to face and not just through Zoom.
I do believe that if you have some dreams, be it just, small time or big time, the sport is open for you.
Hi, my name is Lorenzo Marcafeli and I am part of the 12 and underage group. The reason why I joined artistic swimming is because in my older sister's first international artistic swimming competition in Singapore, there were all these girls, swimmers, and they were all amazing. But one stood out the most. There was one boy that's about my age now, and he was just as amazing as all the girls. I thought that maybe adding one boy to the Philippines, me, would make a huge difference to the sport itself.
A tip I would give to being a good artistic swimmer is being confident and being persistent. Also setting goals and training to reach those goals that you have. Many people think that only good competitive swimmers can do it, but truly anyone can.
Our main swimming venue for our trainings is found here at We Swim Aquatic School. It's at number 24, 17 Plaxon Street. Contact me for anyone who's really interested. You may reach me through my Facebook and Messenger account, Gila Garcia Sanchez, and we can talk it out.